Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch GTX and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. Press and hold it until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you can release the button and you should see the QR code on the screen. That means we need to download and install the MOBVOI application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in MOBVOI. And tap on search. Now, scroll through the list, find the MOBVOI application, tap on it, and then tap on the Get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. Once the application opens, you may see a couple of pop-ups about permissions. For example, the location permission. If you want to track your maybe not data, but basically routes when you're running and cycling in the app, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Next, we have the permission for the notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Next, we have the Bluetooth permission. This one is required, so tap on OK. And once you're done with the permissions, you can select the TicWatch GTX from the list, and you will need to log in into a MOBVOI account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on Create Account right here. I already have one, so I'm gonna log in. Give me a couple of seconds. After you log in, you probably will see the homepage of the app, the statistics. Now tap on Devices, tap on Add Device, select the TicWatch GTX again, tap on Next, allow the permission for the camera, wake up the screen on your watch, and now we need to scan the QR code with the phone's camera. So basically you need to point the phone's camera on the watch to scan the QR code. Once you scan the QR code, it's gonna start pairing the devices. And once it's done, you can tap on Complete, tap on Pair, and wait a couple of seconds. You will see another pop-up about the permissions, and you can allow it or deny it. And now you can tap on Devices, and you should see your TicWatch GTX right here on the Devices page. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.